Corbin Blue ain't got shit on me, dog. One thing that I want to make sure that y'all doing, and one thing I want to make sure that y'all understand is that
this what I'm finna set up for y'all. Whoever ain't with this, don't even ask me for nothing.
Right.
Yo, what's poppin', you guys? It's King Brewer coming back at you again with another video, and today I have a video that you guys been asking for a long time. Today I'm taking you guys through my curly hair morning maintenance routine, but this is just how I refresh my curls every single day when I wake up, when I'm not going through the whole wash, detangle, deep conditioning method. But this is not just gonna be any curl restoration video. I'm literally gonna show y'all from day 1 to day 7 what I'm doing every single day from wash day to wash day, so y'all know exactly how to maintain your hair throughout the week. Y'all know exactly what I do, what problems I have, the whole 9. All right, let's go ahead and take this off. And also, after you guys watch this video, immediately go to my guy Juwan's video, his channel Juwan Games, and watch his curly hair routine. Okay, before we get into the actual routine themselves, we need to go over some materials that you need to have and some that you don't really need to have. The material list goes as this: you need a shower, you need deep conditioner, you need curl cream, you need gel, you need a blow dryer, and you need peanuts. All right, don't ask me what the peanuts are for. Watch this video all the way to the end and you'll find out what they're for. So for the best results, you're gonna need everything that I just mentioned. But if you already kind of got curls and you just need to refresh them a little bit, then you likely only need the shower, curl cream, and then the gel. A great refreshing morning routine throughout the week starts with a great wash day. So I'm gonna go over wash day first on Sunday and take you guys all the way through the week until we're back at Sunday again. Okay, boom, so Sunday morning, I hop my ass out of bed. When I hop out of bed, first thing I do, go in the mirror, look at my curls, boom, I got curls, all right? So then I'm hopping in the shower, and when I hop in the shower, I'm gonna make sure I got all the essentials. I need everything I need when I get in the shower. Once I hop in the shower, I make sure it's on warm to hot water. Warm to hot water, first thing I'm gonna do, put the shampoo into my hair. When I put the shampoo into my hair, I'm gonna wash it out. Then I'm gonna put the conditioner in my hair. Then I'm gonna detangle. And then I'm gonna put more conditioner in my hair. Hop out the bathroom. Make sure there's no water spilling all over the floor. Then I'm gonna put the blow dryer on. When I put the blow dryer on, I'm gonna let it go for 15 minutes. When I get out from under the blow dryer, then I'm gonna go right back into the shower, wash the deep conditioner out. Then I'm gonna put the curl cream and the gel in my hair. Then I'm gonna do the shake method where I basically just shake my head. Bruh. All right, so Sunday's in the books. What I do is put my hair in a bonnet, then I go to sleep. Get up Monday, my hair is still probably gonna be a little bit wet. So at Monday's time, I don't have to do anything to my hair except for shake it. Shake it, it's still gonna be wet. I'm gonna let the curls bounce what they do. It's gonna be probably about 90% fire. Go to sleep Monday night, boom. Wake up Tuesday morning. Now Tuesday morning is when the refresh routine happens. So first thing I do, I get up, take the bonnet, throw the bonnet off. Boom, looking at my hair. Okay, my hair's probably fucked up right now. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hop right back in the shower. I'm gonna need y'all to make sure when you hop in the shower that you wash your ass. Please wash your ass and then wash your hands. So once I wash my ass, then I'm gonna make sure that I get my hair slightly damp. You don't want your entire hair wet. You wanna just breeze it right under the water. The reason because is you don't want your entire hair strand wet. You just want the ends of your hairs wet. So what you're gonna do is just splash under the water a little bit each side, boom, just to get the ends of your hair wet. Once you get the ends of your hair wet, then you're gonna take a little bit of curl cream, probably about a quarter size, a little bit of gel, probably about a quarter size, and a little bit of deep conditioner, probably about a quarter size. Rub it all together, and you're gonna boom. This is the technique right here. You're gonna literally boom. I don't know what this is called, sprouting it out maybe. Sprouting it out, boom, boom, boom. And then from there, you're just gonna shake it off, boom. Now, you should be able to feel, when you do the shake method, you should be able to feel some of your hair swing. It shouldn't be your whole head and your hair shouldn't be slapping your face. It should be just swing just a little bit so your curls are popping. My wash day curls aren't the best curls that I have. See what I'm saying? When you got that medium to long hair, probably from about 9 months to about a year and a half, your wash days are the most fire curl days you ever have in your life. But when you get to that year to year and a half, 2 years mark like I am, then your wash days probably aren't the best curl days because your hair is still wet. You'll still probably have curls on that day, but it's day 2, day 3, and day 4, Tuesday, Wednesday, well, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, when your curls are looking the absolute best, all right? Now Wednesday morning, your hair should be kind of fire, all right? It's gonna be one of the best curl days. So between Tuesday and Wednesday, my hair is like shitting on people, just to be honest, you know what I'm saying? So it's basically the Sprouse method, where I'm just gonna dip my head under the water, get hot water. I'm not gonna get no curl cream, no conditioner, no gel, nothing, all right? See, here's a trick now. Wednesday night, instead of just sleeping in the bonnet, what you guys are gonna do, before you go to sleep Wednesday night, what you're gonna do is you're gonna actually take the plastic cap. You're gonna put it on your head, and then you're gonna put the bonnet over top of it. So you're basically doing the plastic bag greenhouse shower method, okay? That's gonna make sure that all the moisture from your head actually goes into your hair, and it should help your curls be popping the next morning. Like, your hair shouldn't be dry at all. If you wake up and your hair is dry after sleeping in the plastic shower cap, something's wrong with you, not the method. You go to sleep Wednesday night, wake up Thursday morning. When you take that off, your hair should be very close to fire. You might have to shake it a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Move it out a little bit. It really is gonna look like you didn't put any effort in, but your hair is just like that, all right? I'm actually filming this video on a Thursday. I didn't do the shower cap method because, just to be quite honest with you, if your hair is longer than a year and a half long, you're probably gonna have too much volume, meaning too much size in your hair to fit in the shower cap. But, every week, every other week, deep condition your hair. I don't care how it has to happen. All right, so it's Friday morning. Friday is an important day to most of you guys and me. All right, Friday is the beginning of the weekend, so the curls have to be popping. I bet. So I just finished one of my thorough refresh days. Something like you would do on Tuesday or either Friday. You see, it's a lot of product in my hair. One thing that I want to make sure that y'all doing, and one thing I want to make sure that y'all understand is that right now my hair is so long that the water weighs it down, so the curls aren't gonna be popping until it dries up. While you got short hair, it doesn't take long for your hair to dry, so your curls are gonna spring up and shrink up easily. But right now, you see up here where the product is, you see how it looks more like an S? That's because the water is still weighing my hair down. Versus when you get down here, this is starting to dry, so it's starting to look like a real curl. So as my hair, dries, it's gonna shrink back up into like an actual curl. It's just like a slinky. You got water in your hair, the slinky's pulling down. When it dries up, the slinky comes together, and that's gonna essentially look like the curl that you want. And make sure you guys aren't doing like I was doing, which was pretty much getting a hairband and pulling your hair up into like a pineapple, or like just a little, you know what I mean. I'm gonna put a picture of it right here. Make sure you're not doing that while your hair is growing, because it will affect how your hair dries. So how your hair dries is exactly how it's gonna be the rest of the time. So to make sure that my curls in front are doing what they're supposed to do, I'm intentionally letting the air dry, just letting it chill. This is probably gonna be like a Saturday routine for some of you guys, or Sunday routine. Well, if Sunday is not your wash day, because you kind of gotta let it hang and be alright with your hair being wet and dripping all over the place. But since we in quarantine and chill right now, a lot of y'all shouldn't have nowhere to go. Like you see, so this right here is the part of my head is dry. The rest of this is wet. So probably in a couple more hours, you know what I'm saying, I'm literally gonna be able to show y'all that as time goes by, it gets more and more curly. I look like a fucking mop. Corbin Blue ain't got shit on me, dog.
This what I'm finna set up for y'all. Whoever ain't with this, don't even ask me for nothing.
Right.